Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a reel on Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. So now swipe to your left. So here you can see the options Reels. Click on Reels. Here you can make any video or select any video from your gallery. Select here. Now tap on the video that you want to select. So now after selecting this video, tap on next. Here are the options that you can keep in your reels. We are skipping this all for now and tap on share. It will take some time to upload it and now it is uploaded. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps you.